Do you want to avoid dealing with unreliable waste disposal services that leave you guessing when they'll show up or even take your waste? With Purple Cow Dumpsters, reliability is our middle name. We guarantee on-time delivery and prompt removal so you can keep your project moving forward without unnecessary delays. We understand your busy schedule and offer flexible rental periods to accommodate your unique timeline. Whether you need a dumpster for a day, a week, or longer, we've got you covered. We believe in transparent pricing without hidden fees or surprises. And with competitive rates and cost-effective solutions, you can trust that you're getting the best value for your money. One of Purple Cow Dumpsters' standout features is our user-friendly online platform. No more endless phone calls or confusing booking processes. With just a few clicks on www.purplecowdumpsters.com, you can select the perfect dumpster size for your needs, choose your preferred delivery date, and complete your reservation, all from the comfort of your home or office. Or, call us at 830-730-3305 to speak with one of our friendly representatives. Our dedicated team is here to ensure your experience is nothing short of exceptional. We take the time to understand your unique needs and provide personalized solutions that exceed your expectations every time. Choose Purple Cow Dumpsters for your hassle-free waste disposal needs.